Whether it be the stock market or a mutual fund, any kind of investment means balancing risk and reward. However, it seems there may be more rewards than risk when buying property in Prince George. The Real Estate Investment Network has ranked the city the 9th best place to invest in BC. High rents and low housing prices have taken the balancing act out of investing.
Looking for an investment property? Turns out Prince George is a safe bet.
In Prince George, our vacancy rate is below 2%, so you can charge higher rents and you can get long-term tenants, so people can really count on that when they're investing.
That simple rule of supply and demand is a major reason Prince George placed 9th on the Real Estate Investment Network's list of best places to invest in BC.
Right now, Prince George has lower average real estate prices, which allows investors to enter the real estate market. And the average rent is pretty high considering, so investors have an opportunity to make cash flow in that city.
The report took into account things like GDP, population, and growth. And by the numbers, Prince George is an investor's dream. The workforce is young. The median age is 38, and there's 5,000 students at college or university. On top of that, the average house price of around $250,000 is relatively low, yet rental rates remain high at around $700 a month. And some landlords can charge more than that.
If you're looking minimum $900, but you're seeing upwards of, in good areas, of $1,300, $1,500, $1,800. So people who have the ability to pay and maybe not even readily established, looking to buy, but they can afford it for a year or two.
Surrey took top spot thanks to its population explosion, but right now Prince George has over 70,000 people. That figure could grow alongside the economy.
With $140 billion of resource and resource-related projects planned throughout the north, Prince George is the supply and service center, both for industry, business, health, education, culture, all of those kinds of elements.
The report did warn investors of floodplain properties, neighborhood issues, and tenant turnover. Still, whether it's a local or out-of-town investor, it seems now is the time to buy.
The word is prices are going to break, and with the action I'm seeing come across my desk with the houses that are coming up for sale and the ones that are priced properly selling quickly, especially investment properties, duplexes and such, now is the time to get into the market, because if later on you're only going to be able to sell for a profit.
Kelly Lanahan, CKPG News.